Your Kangen Waterman here today talking about the electrolysis enhancer produced by Enagic. Why does Enagic need to have a saline solution within the units? The reason being is very, very simple. It's because the Enagic systems produce two specific types of water that rely on this solution to be created. Now then, there's 11.5 strong Kangen water and there's also 2.5 strong acidic water. This is the only time that the electrolysis enhancer is used, and I'm going to go through the three ingredients that are in this container. Number one, processed water. It's basically purified water, and approximately 99% of this is purified water. Number two ingredient, sodium chloride, which is basically table salt. Now, one of the things that's really important is that when the water from the tap is going through the unit and you want to create the 11.5 and 2.5 waters, at the touch of a button, you press that button there. And what's going to happen is the electrolysis enhancer, which is in this little compartment here, is going to be sucked into the unit, and it's going to create an incredible amount of additional power as there is an electrical change within the unit because of the saline solution of this product. And that's what it's used for, is to create the saline solution, the actual properties within the strong 11.5 and the strong 2.5 waters. Now, the third ingredient in here is sodium hypochlorite, which is basically a bleaching agent. Now, what's really important to understand is that the amount that's in here is 0.01%. The amount that's in there. Now, the standard amount that's in tap water, municipal water, is 0.05%, which is 5 times stronger. So this is actually nowhere near as strong from a bleaching side as tap water. Yet other companies, other water ionizer companies, make it sound like this is actually going to kill you. And the big thing that's really important to be aware of here is that Enagic state on the back of the units, in their literature, don't drink 2.5 and don't drink 11.5 waters. They are not recommended for consuming. They have specific uses, and what they do with those uses is incredible. So it's really important that you get clear on the electrolysis enhancer is designed to help create more conductivity, more power through the unit to create the 2.5 and the 11.5 waters. And what's also extremely important to understand as well is that if a water ionizer company doesn't actually add a saline solution, they are not producing hypochlorous acid, which is designed to disinfect. They can say they go right the way down to 1.5 pH. That doesn't mean a single thing. What is important is the conductivity within the water to do what it needs to do. And this is why Enagic uses the saline solution, the electrolysis enhancer solution, to increase the important properties needed within those 2.5 and 11.5 waters to help you utilize their actual properties for what they're needed to do. So don't listen to everything else where people are saying and companies are saying all this jargon to try and sell you their product. Very important that you get the truth, and that's why I'm so passionate about sharing the truth with you and other people about Enagic.